The pneumatic tool is just easier to grip, easier to handle, easier to move around. It's just not as bulky. Hello folks, this is Hector Maggie with TFT-Pneumatic. Today we're going to be showcasing you a couple tools. It's going to be a pretty interesting comparison. First off is a tool by Fuji. Fuji is an industrial tool, air tool manufacturer. Subsequently, we're going to be comparing it to an electric grinder. Both of them, let's start off with the similarities. Both of them are designed for a 5-inch disc. Both are designed with a 5/8 spindle in mind. First off, Fuji is designed with a very robust, very industrial, heavy-duty industrial applications in mind, hence the construction. It's a composite of it's a mixture, not a composite. It's a mixture of aluminum with a lot of high-strength steel materials. On this side, we have the electric tool. It's basically plastic. A lot of people are now calling it a composite, just a nicer way of calling it a hardened plastic. The other thing that you may see is, the bulkiness from the electric tool compared to that nimbleness of the pneumatic tool. The pneumatic tool is just easier to grip, easier to handle, easier to move around. It's just not as bulky. The next thing that's gonna jump to mind is the difference in weight. You can have a pretty good idea, but then when you put them to the scale, it's gonna really showcase what we're talking about. This tool basically comes in at 6 pounds on the dot. If you want to take a closer look, you're going to see the 6 pounds on the dot. And then the Fuji tool actually comes up to 4.2 pounds. That's roughly a 27% heavier tool when you're talking about electric. If you're using this tool 8 hours a day, that 25 or 27% is definitely something to think about. There's many other things aside from the industrial heavy-duty capabilities to the more, this is use it at an automotive shop, use it in your house, use it at a construction site, something, kind of light work against a heavy-duty tool. The other thing that comes to mind is safety. This tool is designed to be run continuously. This tool, well, you have an electric cord. Aside from the tripping hazard, the real issues that you cannot really use it outside. For example, let's say it's a rainy day. Well, you'd be, having a pretty complicated day if you chose to use this tool outside. There's a shock hazard that comes to mind, of course. Then it's the longevity of the tool. And a tool like this, you can expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years of use. Again, very heavy duty use. This type of tool, the moment that it breaks down, it's pretty much disposable. As far as the use of the tool goes and why they can run for so long, basically the Fuji tool is designed to be repaired every single time. It's designed to last. This one not so much. When this tool overworks, it's working more than it should. Basically, the discs will stall. When this tool does the same thing, the motor will burn up. So time-wise, you may have this tool for a couple days and burn it off. That's how easy it is to burn such a tool. Let's say you're taking good care of it and so on. So you're using continuously, it may last a couple weeks, a couple months at best. It doesn't really matter if you have a warranty that is 2 years or 3 years, because at that point you're burning through, you're burning through the tools like there's no tomorrow. When you have to have a tool in the hands of your operator, there's nothing to beat, that nothing can really beat the continuity, the continuous job that a tool like the Fuji is able to produce. Until the next time, thank you for watching.